I spotted this fallen oak tree here, and I decided to come over and check it out because, as you know earlier, I mentioned that when the trees flip up, they expose a bunch of things. So I came over here to check this out, and I found this guy down here. I don't know if it's animal, but check this out. Man, it looks pretty old, and it had been buried for quite some time because this tree had been sitting on it for several hundred years. But as I'm gazing around, I'm scanning the area, and I check this guy out. You see that? You see that little white speck on the ground right there? That there is a point. That there is an arrowhead. Check this out. That is gorgeous. Look at the speckling on it. I haven't even touched it. I don't think anybody else has seen it either because I don't see any boot prints around. And I don't know. I'll take pictures of it and I'll ask the guys, but that is beautiful. See what it looks like on the other side. That is absolutely fantastic. It's time to get some pictures of this.